welcome to Reese's home. So guys, this is just an improv video. No planning, no nothing. I just thought I'm gonna make dinner and I'm gonna film it. Nothing is planned. I mean nothing. I just grab some seasoning, put on the counter, grab my food, and that is it. So today, guys, I am making for dinner some roasted potato, some, I think I'll do honey garlic salmon or maybe teriyaki garlic salmon and a salad. And that is dinner. So if you want to see, watch me. All right. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. I think I'm going to start doing more of these videos where I just do improv videos and that's it. All right. So let's go. So guys, I thought, well, I'll do salmon. So I'm going to have my salmon here, nice and washed and clean and cut up. I cut them in strips. That's how I like them. And I am just going to season it now. So this is how I do it. So first thing I have here, I have some soy sauce. I'm going to put some soy sauce on. Not a lot because I'm going to do, maybe I'll do teriyaki. I have some, this is Maggie seasoning. Here it is. It's pretty good. So I'll just put a dash of that on it. It's not whole. Okay. Okay. Here I've got some nice paprika. I'll put a little bit of paprika on. And I did get some, here I've got some onion powder and some mixed Italian herbs. Whoops, oops, and I'll just put that on. I've got a little bit of, just a dash of salt. Since, you know, the soy sauce is salty, so I won't put a whole lot of that on it. And here I've got some hot pepper sauce. How can I not have some hot pepper sauce? I like it hot. And then I'll just toss this together. Get it all seasoned up and ready to go. And I'll let this sit for just a little bit, just so that it can absorb some of the seasoning into the flesh. And the seasoning is just not sitting on the outside, because that ain't no fun. So we'll let this sit nice and seasoned, and we'll let it sit for just a little bit. Okay guys, so I am going to do the potatoes now. What I did is I parboiled them earlier, have them cooled off. And why I have them cooled off is because I want them to be crispy, kind of crispy-ish when I'm done with them. So I'm just going to put a spoon of, yeah, I do this, mayonnaise on it. Yeah, I do a little mayonnaise on it. Then I put some seasoning on it, my Lordy seasoning. Not too much, just a hint of it. Put a little bit of that on it. And then I'm going to put my green seasoning on this. Let me get another spoon to take the green seasoning out. All right, so I'm going to put the green season, just a little bit of green season on here. And this is the one I made. It's spicy, so I can't put a lot. There's a lot of pepper in it. And then I'm just going to mix this up and get the seasoning all over. And this comes out really nice. Ooh. Okay, so I guess this will do. Okay, there you go. So, okay, guys, so we're going to put that aside. And then I'm going to get back the salmon. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a pan to broil it and to also bake it off first. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to make the sauce to go on top of the salmon while it's in the oven. So here we are. So what I have here, guys, is roasted garlic. I roasted these garlic. I always roast them and just keep them in the refrigerator. So when I'm ready for them, I pop them out and use them. So this one is one I did, and I just roasted. It smells so good. And this is what I'm going to use. So just snip the head off here, and you're going to, when it's just roast, you can always just squeeze it out like that, and it just pops out. Oh, it still can pop out. Oh, okay. It's popping out. I thought because it was cold, it wouldn't pop out, but it's popping out just fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So you want all of that soft garlic for your sauce. So, that's so good. This is when you go to a restaurant and you get all this roasted garlic thing and they charge you so much for it. It's only this. They just roast it, pop it out, and mix it in the seasoning, and you have a lovely restaurant quality roasted garlic. That's it. It's no big deal. Okay, so I've got my garlic here. Just mush it out. And then, guys, I am using this, it's called sweet chili. If I could only, my hand is slippery. My hand is slippery, so. Okay. And see, this is it, the sweet chili. And I'm just gonna put some in here. Just enough to coat my, my salmon. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some more soya sauce, pop some in it. And as I tell you, I like it hot. So I'm going to put some more hot sauce in there. Okay, there we go. And I think that will do it just fine. Oh, yeah. And it turns, see, it's a lovely sauce now. That's ready for the salmon. There it is, lovely. So I'm gonna get my plate here for my salmon, and I've got the salmon here. So this is grease. I just grease it with some coconut oil, not too much because you know salmon is a greasy fish. You're gonna lay it down in here. All right, put this away in the sink here. All right, and here is our sauce now. And we're just going to spoon this over the salmon. There we go. And I've got some sesame seed that I'm going to sprinkle on. And there you go. And this is it. This is what I'm going to put in the oven. But first, let me put the potatoes in there, you see. All right, so I've got my baking dish here for the potatoes, and I've got the potatoes right here that I seasoned. Remember these? Yeah. So, and this is also greased with some coconut oil. And now I'm just going to put this in here. put this in here and just make sure they're in single layer because you want them to be nice and crispy. There you go. Okay, so I am going to put this in the oven at 350. Maybe I'll do 375 until they're nice and golden brown. And I will be back, guys. I'll be back. I'll probably do the salad for you. All right, guys. So I am back with my salad. So what I did was I wash and cut up some lettuces. So I have all kinds of lettuce. I have like romaine lettuce, green leaf lettuce. I've got some shredded cabbage. I've got some radicchio, and I've got endive. The only thing I don't have here is what else? Spinach. That's what I don't have here. But this is what I like. So this is what I'm using. So guys, my salad is not a regular salad. I put some weird stuff in my salad, and that's how I like it. In order to eat a lot of salad, I have to put what I like in it. So that is what I'm doing. So first thing, guys, is I like to put an apple in my salad. I'm sorry. I put a shredded apple. So I get a little apple, my grater, and I just, that's what I do. I shred an apple and I put it in. And it's what I like. It gives it a lovely flavor. You really don't taste the apple. You just get a nice flavor. That's all. And I do this. This allows me to eat a lot of salad, which is really good for you. And we need to eat more salad and less carbs. At least that's what I'm trying to do, because I got to take this weight off. Just trust me. This weight has got to go. And this is a carb weight. So there's nothing but a carb weight. So carbs, 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 because I'm a carboholic, and I know that. And when you admit to something, that's when changes will come along. So I'm admitting it. So I just do like that over my salad, and that is it. Then I have some pickled beets. I pickled these beets a couple of weeks ago, and I use them on my salads. I love pickled beets, so I put pickled beets on. Add on. Come on. Okay. And it just makes the salad absolutely delicious. Check it out. How can someone not like pickled beets? There you go. Then I'll put this back up here so you can see it properly. Then I have some cherry tomatoes that I'll put on. I have some black olives here. I'm telling you, I'm putting on all the stuff that I love on my salad. Black olives, and last but not least, some sun-dried tomatoes. And this is my salad. This is how you put whatever it is that you like on yours. I know people that's all they like is just lettuce. Nothing else but lettuce and dressing. That's it for them. Me, I like mine embellished like that. So the dressing I use is Renee's. I love anything Renee's. It's Renee's salad dressing, anything Renee's, and this is what I use on my salad. So guys, I'm going to show you what the potatoes, the roasted potato, and the salmon looks like now. Dinner tonight.
Number 4, is it moral to compel someone to receive a vaccine of coercion and conscience? And if I did not have up close and personal experiences with people in positions of